Hello everyone, welcome back to Neerja's algorithm. Today I will start integration ka partial fraction. Important topic and most easy topic. You will understand very easily. You can do well in this form. So let's start. Partial fraction. First one, I wrote it when numerator is less than denominator. The meaning is proper fraction. You will ask that this is the sixth standard thing. Why you are telling? This is very important thing for the partial fraction. That is why I am only reminding you that thing. And when numerator is greater than equal to, it's not about the numerator. Sorry, it's a power of numerator. It's a power of numerator. Here also it's a power. When the power of numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is called as the improper fraction. And the way to integrate for improper fraction is very different from that. We will take so many questions. Let's start for the forms. When the form is px plus minus q by x plus minus means either a plus or a minus, x plus minus b. So what should we take it? See here, we will ignore always the numerator. We need to check it only the denominator. It is x plus a, x plus b or x minus a, x minus b. Means what is the x ka degree? X ka degree is 1. 1 means linear. When it is a linear, you will take two single constant. A by this plus b by this. When it is x plus minus a ka whole square but it is a linear one. So what I will do, I will start from the lower degree. 2 say before 1 and then become 2. Means you need to take it from low to high what the power was. It is like that. I took it the single constant only because it is a linear equation. Similarly, in the third form, one is the linear, other is the quadratic. For the linear, I took it a. But remember, ax square plus minus bx plus minus c. I took it this form, bx plus c. Means for every quadratic form, you need to take like this form. These are very important forms that we will use in the questions. Let's start with the question. First question is integration of 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 into dx. Now, first of all, what you need to check? Whether it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. What is x ka degree in the numerator? 1. What is x ka degree in the denominator? You will say 2. No. When you multiply, it becomes 4. Then naturally its degree is less than the denominator. It become a proper fraction. Let's proceed to the second step. When we go to the second step, we check it that x square ka differentiation is 2x. So why not we use the substitution to make it simple? Now I will take it x square as t. It become dt is equal to 2x into dx. Now see how simple it become. It become like this, t plus 1 into t plus 3. Please remember what we did the forms. Both are linear. That means I can say 1 by t plus 1. I wrote it 1 here because dt with dt nothing is there. That means 1 is there. So t plus 3 is equal to a by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 3. Fine. Now I will take it LCM. When I am taking the LCM, it is like a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3. Correct? Please cancel these values. Now I am remaining with the only numerator part. When numerator part is there, how to get? We need to find out for a and b ka value. for the values of a and b, what I will do, see here, it is t plus 3 and t plus 1. If I am putting, let it be t is equal to minus 1, so one of the constant becomes 0. You will ask why you put t is equal to minus 1. I checked it. What is added to t? It is plus 1. That is why I put minus 1. If it would be minus 1, I will put plus 1. Means you need to put the opposite of that. So one of the constant becomes 0 to get other constant. This is the procedure to find out the constant ka values. 1 is equal to a and t ki place pe I put it minus 1 plus 3. B becomes 0. I am writing like this. Now 1 is equal to, it become 2a. So a value I got it 1 by 2. Understood? Now to make it or to find out the b ka value, I will put it t is equal to minus 3. When I am putting minus 3, 1 is equal to a becomes 0 and b become 4. Understood? It's multiplying with b. Now it's like b is equal to 1 by 4. Like this. Now you'll understand. I got both the values. The form is this. We need to put our values in a and b. One thing I mistaken here. When I put t is equal to minus 3, then b is not, sorry, it is t plus 1. So it become minus 3 plus 1. That become minus 2. This is my mistake. Like this. Sorry. Now b is minus 1 by 2. Now I am putting the value here. A ka value is 1 by 2. T plus 1. This minus 1 by 2. T plus 3. Correct? You integrate both sides. Hai na? When we are integrating, that means this is equal to this. I have to integrate this part. Now 1 by 2. This is the linear form in a denominator. So the integration will be log t plus 1. Similarly, this become log t plus 3 plus c. I can more simplify this form. Half I am taking common. That is the property of log. When it is minus in between them, we can write in a division form. So I will write like this. Log t plus 1 by t plus 3 plus c. Now what we let t as? Put that value. X square plus 1 by x square plus 3 plus c. Done. Question number 2 is 3 sin phi minus 2 by 5 minus cos square phi minus 4 sin phi into cos phi d phi. Naturally, you can see the question, you will understand that we need to substitute first. So I will do one thing, ki if I will convert, 1 minute, see here, 5 minus cos square phi ki place pe I am putting like this. Fine. Minus 4 sin phi. Then into cos phi. Like this. Okay? Now, I will take it sin phi as t. So, dt become cos phi into d phi. Understood? It become 3t minus 2 by 5 minus 1 is 4 plus t square minus 4t into dt. So simple na. Now it become 3t minus 2. Like this. Now, can you see t square minus 4t plus 4 is become t minus 2 ka whole square? Correct na? Now again remember the forms. I will take it 3t minus 2 by t minus 2 ka whole square. Linear, but the power was 2. So it become a by t minus 2. I have to start from 1 plus to make it what the power was. T minus 2 ka whole square. 3t minus 2 by t minus 2 का whole square is equal to a by t minus 2 plus b by t minus 2 का whole square. Now what we will do, we will take LCM. Simple, what we were doing in the first question. t minus 2 का whole square is equal to a t minus 2 plus b by t minus 2 का whole square. Correct? This cancelled. I am remaining with again the numerator part only. A into t minus 2 plus b. Now again, what should I put to remove, or sorry, to make it one constant 0? T minus 2, that means I need to put t is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 2, 4 is equal to a into 0 plus b. I got b is equal to 4. Simple thing. Again, what should I put to make it a का value? अब now there is nothing. So what we do, we will put the smaller values here. So I can put 0. I will put t is equal to 0. I am writing here कि you can understand what I am doing. Put t is equal to 0. That become 3 into 0 minus 2. It become minus 2. A 0 minus 2 is minus 2 plus b. Okay. Now we have b का value minus 2 is equal to minus 2a plus 4. It become minus 6 is equal to minus 2a. A is equal to 3. So I got my values a and b का. Now I substituted the values in place of a and b and do the integration both sides like this. Now it become 3 log t minus 2 plus, you will say it is only log. No, it's a power. I will take it up. So it become 4 t minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. This is the answer, but we need to substitute the value. What we let as t, it is the sine phi. Sine phi minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So it become minus, and this become by sine phi minus 2 plus c. Completes the answer. This is the third question. Dx by sine x plus sine 2x. What we will do, first of all, sine x plus sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. Correct. Take it sine x common. I will take it sine x common. It become 1 plus 2 cos x. But I can't do anything. What I will do, I will multiply with sine x and divide by sine x. Fine. Now it become sine x into dx by sine square x 1 plus 2 cos x. Now see, sine square x means I can change it into a cos. So sine x into dx by sine square x की place पे I am putting 1 minus cos square x 1 plus 2 cos x. Fine. Now take it cos x as t. So what is your dt? It become of minus of sine x into dx. I will take it minus out. It become dt by 1 minus t square by 1 plus 2t. Now minus of dt by 1 minus t square को I will write 1 minus t into 1 plus t into 1 plus 2t. Fine. This is the form 1 by 1 minus t into 1 plus t and 1 plus 2t. Because 3 of them are the linear one, I took it the 3 constant. Again the same thing, take LCM. It become fine. Now I have to do the same thing कि I need to find out ABC. 1 plus t, I will put t is equal to minus 1. In LHS, 1 is constant, nothing is there. So I will do it like this. So A becomes 0. Okay. Now C becomes 0. B will be 1 minute. Yeah. This is B into, sorry, 1 minus T. Yeah. So it become, B become 1 plus, it become 2, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Fine. So 1 is equal to minus 2B, or B is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is one value. We got it. Next one, 1 plus T tha, so I put it T is equal to minus 1. Again I will put it, let it be, put T is equal to 1. Correct? When I am putting T is equal to 1, A, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. B becomes 0, C become 0. Sure, yeah. That. So A ka value become 1 by 6. Second value we got it. Now we need to find out the third constant. For that I will put it T is equal to minus 1 by 2. When I am putting T is equal to minus 1 by 2, so A becomes 0, B becomes 0. I am getting C exactly. 1 minus, sorry, it become plus 1 by 2, or it become 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 is equal to C, 1 minus 1 by 4. C, how I wrote it 1 minus? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Okay. Now it become 3 by 4. That becomes C ka value become 4 by 3. I got all the three values. Now I need to put it in the equation where we put the constant. Now it will be dt by 1 plus T, 1 minus T, 1 plus 2T is equal to this. There was a minus sign. I will multiply with the minus sign to that values. So it become 1 by 6 of 1 plus T. Fine. Minus 1 by 6 was the value, and it become plus 1 by 2, 1 minus T, minus 4 by 3, 1 plus 2T. Fine. Now, linear, linear and linear, no power. It become 1 by 6 log 1 plus T plus 1 by 2 log 1 minus T minus 4 by 3 log 1 plus 2T, but T ka coefficient is 2, divide by 2 plus C. So it got cancelled. This is your answer. But in place of T, what you need to put it? In place of T, you will put it cos x. So it become 1 by 6 log 1 plus cos x plus 1 by 2 log 1 minus cos x minus 2 by 3 log 1 plus 2 cos x plus C. This is your complete answer. This is the end of the today's video. I have taken some difficult and different questions which can come in your board exam. In the next video, I will continue with some other important and difficult questions. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.